Hello everyone. Today we will look at another data type, sets. So sets like in the same idea as in the mathematics. So here it's an unordered collection, but it has only there are no duplicates. So if I take for example a list, I can have something like 1 comma 1 2 3 1 3 2, and each of them is identified by say unique position, right? So I can say a0 is 1, and then there is a1 is 1, and I can take a1 and I can uniquely change, so it is an ordered because we can identify by the position or the index value. Same if I do like like a equal to say 1 2 3 4 5, which is a tuple, right? I can again I can for example here have another 5, so this is a tuple, and they are tuple and list they are, right? So in the case of a set, uh, we have, for example, if I write something like a, right? I do like a equal to, we use simple like curly braces. I can write say 1 1 2 2 3 3. So now if I do see the actual a has only 3 unique elements, 1 2 3, and not to be confused with the dictionary we seen before, where we have curly parentheses but there's a key value pair, right? Here there is no key value pair, an unordered collection of unique items. So we can create also using I can use a set you can use a set function. So I can say set, for example, if I say a b c d e f a b, right? Or I can pass, that's a set from a string. Here again you can see a b c d e f, and I don't have the last a and b. So it's very easy to find using a set what are the unique items, right? Unique items in a collection. And we can also pass in any other collection, say 1 2 3 1 2, or I can do also tuple. So this is the simple and very basic idea of sets. And sets, of course, they have like like in mathematics we have union and difference and symmetric difference and all those definitions available. So if I do like I can take, say, let's do a is that, which is a is this, okay, and say b, maybe can simply, maybe let us take 3 4, maybe 5. So that is how b. So I can do a minus b, which is basically the things in a but not in b, right? So which is 1 and 2, and 3 is in both, that's why. And I can say a or b, things in a or things in b or both, right? So basically 1 2 3 4 5, and we can also do an and with b, so things in a and b, which is 3. And we can also do a cap b, so where we get from things in a and things in B but not in both. So 1 2 4 5, right? Yeah. So, and we can, as I said, we can look at, say, directory of, say, all the functions available. So we have things like say it's a subset, I can look at here. So A was what, B is this. So A is supposed, let us make A something like, yes, 3. So we can look at if element 3 is a subset to B, which is true. 3 is a subset of B. And also we have union, and we can also, say, for example, I can take 2 3 4, I can, like, the pop we have seen. So it's popping the first popping 2. So this is the pop we have also seen in the case of a list, right? So this is the idea of, so you could experiment with some of the other methods that which is available there. So this is the basic idea of a set, an unordered collection, but the main idea is that they are also unique. And thank you very much for watching.